Today I collected 5 apps with which you can make free bitcoins with no effort, just to complete the road of 1 free bitcoin in 1 day. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video will be about 5 different apps that are completely free and beginner friendly that will make you bitcoin with no effort and now in 2021. So you don't need to be an expert in order to use these apps. I will show the exact step-by-step process in order to not let you make any mistakes in this process. So watch the full video until the end. All you need to have is a mobile phone and a good internet connection. That's all you need. Everyone now has access to this, so why not to take action now to not miss these apps? So take action. What is your excuse? If you are interested in this process and in the process of making money, let's get to the first app. The first app in our video will be CryptoTab. If you watched my previous videos, I have already talked about this website and what it can do. This app will mine you Bitcoin automatically while you do nothing. You can watch the TV, watch Netflix, scroll through your newsfeed, and it will mine you Bitcoin. The best thing about it is that you can download the app on your smartphone from App Store or Google Play. It doesn't depend what platform you use, because in this way the mining process will take place on 2 devices simultaneous, on your PC and your smartphone. I have already shown how this site works. Just click on the Google Play icon and this is how the app should look like on your device. There are 2 versions of the app, the basic version, which is free, and the pro version. I don't advise you to buy the pro version now, because you don't have money. Just use the free version until you make some profit and then reinvest the money you have made in the pro version to make some more money. Because my videos are for the beginners on this road. All my content is made for you to understand the process easy, without any complications or money investments. To make more money, I recommend you to install CryptoTab browsers on your desktop and to set it as a default browser. This will lead you to more money because CryptoTab has its own browser sponsored by Google. The main advantage is that you let the app running in the background and you take care of your stuff. Now that you know how to make some profit, where you will withdraw and store your bitcoins. The next app and website is Coinbase.com. This is the wallet where you will withdraw your bitcoins from today's apps. The main advantage of this app is that you can also earn money from it. Firstly, you will need to register to Coinbase in order to make you an account and a wallet. And on the homepage there is this button, Get $40. Just click on it and it will lead you to this page, where it shows that you can earn crypto while you learn about crypto. So, taking this course is absolutely free about cryptocurrencies and how they work. You will get rewarded with cryptos. This is amazing. You learn interesting stuff about the crypto world. I assure you that this will be helpful in the next period of time and also today, because cryptocurrency grows faster and faster, and in this way you will know how they work and at the same time you will be paid for this. These are the courses that are available right now. Take advantage of this, it is a very good opportunity. It is also available on iOS and Android devices. The next app that will generate us passive income is Feature Points. It is a very good app with which you can make Bitcoin very easy. The app is available on iOS and Android devices. Since 2012, they have already paid to their users the amount of $5 million. This is a huge amount of money, and I think you don't have any doubts about this site, but you can search about it anywhere to be assured that they pay. What you need to do in order to make money? Just completing some surveys on the site you will get paid, just downloading some apps. Earning money also will be possible with their cashback program. While you shop at your favorite stores, you can earn hundreds of dollars with the cashback that offers this app, and also by sharing the app with your friends. While they will complete surveys or will download apps, you will earn a part of their profit. The accumulated points can be withdrawn in different ways, by PayPal, PlayStation gift cards, Xbox gift cards, also in Bitcoins and many others. To start making Bitcoins, sign up with the email and you can already start. The next app on our road to 1 Bitcoin in 1 day is Sweetcoin. This is for the ones that lead a healthy lifestyle. What is Sweetcoin? It is a cryptocurrency that is generated while you walk or running. They convert your steps into a currency that can be spent on cool services and products. Now Sweetcoin hasn't a big value on the market, but it can be spent on different services. In the future, the Sweetcoin will be an universal form of accepted payment. Let's not forget the history of Bitcoin and how it appeared on the market. Everyone looked skeptical at it, because it was something new for the entire humanity, and only few started to buy it. Now, don't you think it would have been better if you bought Bitcoin when it was $1? Now, think about this. The app is available on App Store and Google Play. With this value you can buy goods, services, and experiences ranging from high-tech shoes to iPhones, from anti-gravity yoga classes to Apple Watches. This will also make you move more, to lead a healthy lifestyle, and at the same time to make Bitcoins. This is how the app should look like, but how you can see, the coins can be generated into PayPal money. That is perfect. The reviews shows that the app is appreciated because 100,000 users reviewed the app with 5 stars. I recommend you to try it. Maybe in this way you will like more the walking and running process, and you will practice it every day to improve your health and mind. And the last app in our today's video is available on Google Play. I don't know if it's available on App Store. It is similar with feature points, making surveys, downloading apps, making some easy tasks, you will redeem Bitcoins. Named as Free Bitcoin on Google Play. It has a very user-friendly interface to make you understand the whole app and to make the whole process of making Bitcoin very easy. I recommend you to use it, because it is a good start to make some additional money and reinvest them in other sites that I have showed in today's video. It is very easy to withdraw your money just using the Bitcoin address from Coinbase. With all today's sites you will withdraw your money on Coinbase with the Bitcoin address that will be made in this site. The reviews are also very good, so go ahead, download the app and make money. That's all for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching the full video. I hope the video was useful to you and the process was understood by you. Because as I mentioned, I make video for the beginners on this road. I also was at the beginning like you, and I want to share with you all my information. If you are more interested in making free Bitcoins with no effort, very easy. Subscribe to my channel, there you will see more videos about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Subscribe to my channel, leave a like and a subscribe, and see you the next time.